Good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and today we're going to be doing a full ship tour of Adventure of the Seas. Now, this ship is really big, it's really huge, so I'm probably going to actually break it down into a couple of decks at a time, put those out, and then do one complete full ship video. But I think it's going to be quite long, but we are going to go ahead and start down at the very bottom here on deck one, and let's get started. Alright, so we are down here on deck one. Now, the only thing that's actually down here on deck one is going to be the medical center.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Are you filming?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm very sorry that.
Oh, no, good morning.
Yeah. Subway. Sample area only in the per day. But here is a very big no. I'm very sorry.
Right, well, this is the medical
Yes,
center, right?
sir, excuse me. This is sample area. Oh, I'm very sorry.
Oh, no, okay. I thought the medical center was down here on deck one.
This side.
Oh, okay.
Are you going to medical?
No. Just filming the ship.
Alright. Alright, sir.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
So that was the medical center, but as you can see, they kind of threw us out of there really quickly. They didn't want us down in the medical center at all. All right, so now we're up here on deck number two. Now, deck number two is just going to be cabins. That's all we have here on deck number two. They have some, and all of the ship's awards are down here on deck two. All right, let's go ahead and move on up to deck number three. All right, we are now on deck number three. Deck number three, midship. We have the ship's map right here. It lists all of the things. Actually lists for all of the decks where everything is. As you see, deck three is down there in the white down at the bottom. All right, so here on deck three we have the Sapphire dining room, or the first floor of the Sapphire dining room. You have today's, this is going to be the breakfast menu for what they're going to be serving for breakfast. All right, we're going to go forward here on deck three. So we are midship right now. You have all of the elevators. So this is going to be the art gallery here on deck number three. You see they have all of the paintings down here. And this is also the photo gallery where you would come for any ship's photos that you had taken. You can see them down here on these computer screens down here. You just use your card. They also sell cameras, camera equipment, different photography products down here. I'll show you guys this centerpiece right here. Let's see. There we go. Take a look at the sculpture that goes up here on the center on deck three. Okay. And down here on deck three, you also have the Studio B. Now this is going to be the ice skating ring, where they do the ice shows. So it looks like most of that first row is reserved. Alright, so this is the inside of Studio B. They do ice skating shows, and you can free skate in here. this side. You have some restrooms down here, some more of the artwork. Okay, now there is a forward section here to deck 3, but Studio B sits in the way, so we actually have to go up to deck 4, cross over, and go back down to see the front part of deck 3. So we're going to do that now. Alright, now we are on deck 3 forward, and here we have the Lyric, which is the theater on board the ship. And this is the first floor entrance to that. You have the forward elevator banks. While we're here on deck 3, you do have the interactive screens here as well. And I said they're kind of neat because you can do, you know, push what to do right now, and then they'll show you everything to do. You can look for the cruise compass. You can do a stateroom finder if you just need a restroom. And you can see right here, it shows you the red one of where you are, and then it shows you where the 2 nearest restrooms are, but it gives you a map and helps locate you for everything that you need. So like I said, here on deck 3, you have the dining room, the Studio B, and the theater, which we are in front of here right now. We'll take a look at the theater. All right, and we're going to go ahead and move on up to deck number 4.